once we have our stream composition in the Aspen Hysys and we have chosen the fluid package, we go to the simulation screen and we are able to add some utilities to our stream. And one of them is the envelope, and with the envelope we can build the vapor liquid equilibrium chart. And here you can see that the dark blue line, this one here, is the boundary or interface between the gas and the two phases of our stream. And the red line here at the left is the interface between liquid and the two phases of our stream. So between the red line and the dark blue line, we have the stream going from gas to the liquid, and we have many vapor phase here between 1 and 0. And we can see that there is a light blue line here, and this light blue line is, as I checked the Hydrate option, the Aspen Hysys built to us the Hydrate formation line. So it means that if my stream works or operates in a region from this blue line to the left, I will have the formation of the hydrate. And we don't want to have that. We want to avoid that for sure. And so the first thing to try to solve something, to solve a problem, is to understand the problem. So what this envelope tells me is that when my truck gets around 100 bar G, is this point here, if I reach the temperature of 20 Celsius degree, I can have the formation of the hydrate. So this is the first thing that we must understand to try to avoid the hydration formation.